Hi, my name is Aditya Roshan Sendil Kumar. I am in my second year of mechatronics engineering. It's basically an interdisciplinary branch of engineering that focuses on electrical, mechanical, and engineering systems and stuff like that. And it's basically a combination of robotics, electronics, computer, telecommunication, systems control, and product engineering. My favorite course in second year was EngFIS 204 Analog and Digital Circuits. This was one of the courses in which we didn't really have that many midterms. We just had to submit a project every week. So it gave us an opportunity to experiment with different circuits. So because that's what the entire course was basically about, analog and digital circuits. And we were given a oscilloscope, multimeter, etc. And we had to actually measure stuff. So it gave like a hands-on experience, which in my opinion was the first time I did something like that. And the professor made the course extremely interesting along with the support of the TAs, because believe me, I don't think I would have survived this course, and I wouldn't have had this much fun without the professor and the TAs. In this course, we had to design circuits, measure their components, and actually basically just analyze the entire thing. And basically, this gave me an opportunity to work on something absolutely new for me, because I have never done this in my high school or in my first year. We had to take physical measurements and stuff. Whenever you used to get something right, the amount of joy you get is like, oh, really, I've done a good job. Like stuff like that. It kind of made this my most favorite course.